Here, let me see.
You have to push in, right?
Yeah, you push out. There you go. Okay, now you don't need to pump it since I just pumped it.
Hella pump.
Yeah, just push it back in. Good. Okay, now lock it, and now shoot it. Just go and aim it, and then just fire it.
It won't shoot.
It won't fire?
No.
Here, let me see. Try it again.
I'm getting frustrated.
Well, I don't know what's wrong with that gun, but it's...
It won't.
Here, shit.